Fishbone diagram. Now that we discussed the problem, I'm going to show you how to use the fishbone diagram as part of your cause analysis as one of the methods. First up, identifying the problem. You place it at the head of the fish. And it says high workers' comp costs secondary to nurses being injured on the job while moving patients. You then want to identify the people, the materials, methods, and machinery. The people. The patient and the coworker could lead to the potential problem. Materials, the sheets and the belt. The methods, what they're using is an assisted transfer with potentially a sheet or a belt, and a dependent transfer, which is solely based on the nurses utilizing each other and coworkers. Machinery. Currently, the hospital has no machinery to be utilized. Once again, for review, in the fish diagram, you want to use the fish head as the problem. You then identify the potential problems as people, materials, methods, or machinery.